This Help clip has 18 steps. 1. Click the Office button. A menu will appear. 2. Click Excel Options. A dialog box will appear. 3. Click Advanced. 4. Under Display Options for this worksheet, make sure that Show Grid Lines is not checked. 5. Click OK. 6. Highlight the data that you want to work with. 7. Click the Home tab. 8. In the Clipboard group, click Copy. 9. Click the Paste arrow. A menu will appear. 10. Highlight As Picture. A menu will appear. 11. Click Copy as Picture. A dialog box will appear. 12. Set the options as required. 13. Click OK. 14. Click in the spreadsheet where you want to paste the picture. 15. Click the Home tab. 16. Click the Paste arrow. A menu will appear. 17. Highlight As Picture. A menu will appear. 18. Click Paste as Picture. This concludes the Help clip.